In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up cron expression trigger in n8n. To begin, open your workflow in n8n. You can use any existing workflow you want to automate, whether it sends reports, cleans up data, or kicks off a sequence of tasks. Make sure you're in the editor view so you can see your nodes and the canvas. If the workflow already uses a manual trigger, that's fine. What we'll do now is replace that manual start with a schedule so it runs automatically at the times you choose. Next, set up a schedule. In n8n, scheduling is handled by the cron node under the trigger category. Add it to your workflow and connect it to the rest of your nodes, just like you would a starting trigger. By default, the cron node supports simple schedules like every X minutes or specific times, which are great for quick setups. However, for precise control like running only on weekdays or at the start of each month, you'll want to switch to using a cron expression. That gives you fine-grained timing without creating multiple separate schedules. Now, configure the node to use cron. Open the cron node settings and change the mode to cron expression. Check the time zone settings shown in the node or in your n8n instance, because cron schedules are interpreted according to that time zone. Consistency here prevents surprises, especially if you collaborate with teammates in different regions or you're relying on exact times for reports or sync jobs. Finally, type your expression. A cron expression typically uses 5 fields in this order: minute, hour, day of month, and day of week. For example, 09*** 1 to 5 runs at 9:00 inches the morning, Monday through Friday. If you want something more frequent, *15, **** runs every 15 minutes. For a monthly job at midnight on the first day, use 001***. As you enter your expression, look for any preview or next run's information the node provides so you can confirm it matches your intention. A quick tip: start with a broader schedule while testing, like every 5 minutes, then tighten it to your final expression once you're confident. Also, be cautious with very frequent schedules, as they can consume resources faster than expected. With your expression saved, your workflow is now set to run on the exact cadence you defined using cron. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your fully scheduled automation in n8n.